Welcome to Blackout. It's Wednesday. We take you behind the scenes and show you what's in the shop on Wednesday. Start at LATROBE, as always. Beside me is a Black Widow F-150. Zach is in the process of polishing this truck to remove the micro scratches and swirl marks before laying down a ceramic coating. In the wash bay, we've got a C8 Corvette. JM is about to start prepping that. This one's getting an annual inspection. And Caleb is polishing a very large Ram 2500. This one's next up for a ceramic coating. We have another Kubota. This is a different one. Last week we wrapped one for the police department at Pitt. This is the second one. We're turning it orange to white, adding a blue stripe and a police graphic on the front. In the tint bay, Terrell is in the process of tinting a BMW. Outside, we've got a Super Duty. This one got the windows tinted, coating as well. Next to a Dodge Durango that's getting a ceramic coating. That's up next. That'll get started this afternoon. And a Land Cruiser that's getting tint all the way around with our ceramic XR Plus film. Then we have a Mustang. So we previously tinted the windshield of this one with a clear UV protective film, and the inspection sticker cutout wasn't big enough for the mechanic to put the inspection stickers on there. So we fixed it as we always do. So yeah, that's done, ready to go home. And the Lincoln Navigator is here for a wear and tear package and an interior and exterior ceramic coating. Beside that's the wide body Challenger. We're waiting to get picked up by another shop to do some work on that. Then we have a BMW. We did a full front end paint protection film on. It's out here curing and getting its final inspection. We always do an outdoor look over. It shows us more stuff than the inside lights do. And then a Tesla Model Y that was here for a coating. And up front we have a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. You guys might remember this. We vinyl wrapped this a few months ago. The beautiful thing about vinyl is you're not stuck with it. So if this would have been a paint job, besides being way more expensive than the vinyl wrap, you got to live with it. It's not the case with vinyl. So this gentleman likes to change it often. Nothing wrong with the wrap. He just wants to remove it, go back to black for a little while, and I'm sure he'll probably end up putting a different color on it soon.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. In the tint bay, we have a 2025 Ford Ranger. This is getting all three services. We've done a full front clip and paint protection film, tinted the two front windows 20% to match the factory tint, and it is next in line for a ceramic coating. Also in the tint bay is a brand new M5 from our friends at P&W BMW. This is getting Prime XR 35% tint on the side windows and the back window. Over here we got Mark doing his thing on this Escalade. This was in the shop about a month ago for the interior ceramic coating. It's back in the shop this week for a full polish and exterior 4-year coating. Also in the shop for a ceramic coating is this Porsche Cayenne. This is getting a 4-year coating on the outside and a Fusion Plus upholstery interior coating. A completed job ready for pickup is this BMW 540. As you can see, this got a full body stealth wrap on the entire vehicle. We also tinted the side windows and the back window, and it's next in line for a ceramic coating on both the inside and the outside. Up in the showroom is another Escalade. On this, we tinted all the side windows and the back window in Prime XR 20% tint and did a full coating on the interior. Our newest vehicle in the tint bay is this 2025 Honda Pilot. We are doing 20% on the two front windows to match the factory tint. In the prep bay is a brand new Supra. As you can see, this is a really unique paint. Kind of has like an iridescent finish to it. This is getting a full body 8mm paint protection film wrap, window tint on the side windows and the back window, and a 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. In the PPF bay, we have a new F-250. This is getting some miscellaneous pieces, including a full hood, partial fenders, wear and tear kit, and B-pillar paint protection film. Next up, we got Steve and Austin working on this BMW X7 from our friends at Swickley Car Store. This vehicle is getting a track package and 20% on the fronts to match the factory tint. Next up, we have a brand new C8. This vehicle also got a track package, full front and lower rockers. A full wrap in the works is a 2025 BMW X4 M40i. As you can see, the fender and the bumper are done. They're stealth. Pretty neat difference there. We're doing a full body wrap on this. All of the red will be done in stealth. All of the black will be done in Ultimate Plus. And the rocker panels right down here will be done in xpel black paint protection film. We are also tinting the two front windows to match the factory tint and doing a 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
This GT3 Touring came in for a couple of things. XR Plus all-around window tint, including the windshield. We replaced the rear bumper PPF that had a little nick on it. and we ceramic coated the entire vehicle, including the wheels. 911 Turbo S came in for some paint protection, remove one, redo on some areas that had rock chips. And then it came for a full ceramic window tint in our XR Plus, including the windshields. And we topped it off with the 4 years fusion coating.
As always, thank you very much for tuning in. We look forward to seeing you each and every week. See you next time.